Hello everyone, it's great to be speaking today and I hope everyone is well wherever you are in the world. My name is Chapman Chamberlain and I am the Rail Knowledge Transfer Manager at KTN. KTN links new ideas and opportunities with deep expertise, markets and finance through our network of businesses, universities and funders. With teams in a wide range of industries from agri-food to autonomous systems and from energy to design, KTN combines in-depth knowledge in all sectors in making connections, spearheading events, generating opportunities and more. The transport team looks to the future as well as enhancing travel innovations in the present with experts in rail, aviation, maritime, connected and autonomous vehicles, low emissions mobility, connected transport specialists and more. So it's a strange time for transport systems globally, and that's certainly the case in the UK. I'll be focusing on rail transport today, which is currently in a state of great change due to the global pandemic. COVID-19 has fundamentally changed how we travel. Looking at the latest UK Department for Transport COVID-19 statistics, there are some very clear needs for public transport. So for example, car use was at 95% compared to pre-pandemic figures at the weekend. Comparing this to national rail use, which was at 19%, and London bus use was at 50%. However, cycling was at an astonishing 198% compared to a pre-pandemic weekend. We must consider what creative innovations and multimodal interventions we can put in place to encourage safe use of national rail and ensure these innovations link to the increase in cycling as much as possible. But we must also reflect that as working patterns have changed, possibly permanently, we will not see the levels of commuter travel that we have experienced in 2019 and before for many years. So there is a clear need to innovate and create to uplift passenger numbers safely and reinvigorate public transport. Looking to the future, digitisation and AI forms a huge element of this need and potential for the UK rail network. This sits alongside the UK's rail sector deal, which looks to transform the rail sector by increasing the use of digital technology, boosting productivity, improving the service received by those who use our railways, and building the skills of the UK workforce. AI, of course, offers critical solutions to unlock the power of data for public transport, enabling better, safer, and more efficient journeys for all. The growth in potential of automation and connectivity, digital technologies including AI, big data analytics and Internet of Things offer the potential to enhance interconnected and efficient mobility. Driverless technologies and enhanced driver information systems are obvious examples. Another strong example for rail comes particularly through the passenger experience potential, so high-quality data-backed digital assistants and intelligent chatbots, including the use of crowdsourced data, can answer customer inquiries instantly. This also has great potential in facilitating inclusion for public transport. Swift and accurate provision of information makes the rail network more accessible for all, including those with less visible disabilities, by removing ambiguity or confusion around a journey. Alongside this, AI used in conjunction with CCTV and monitoring systems can contribute to passenger safety by providing a clearer understanding of the rail and station environments, by identifying crime rapidly, but also by alerting staff to those needs in real time. In a COVID-19 context, these systems can also help us to understand and enable social distancing, both predictively and reactively in rail environments, including rapidly reflecting changes in legislation as our understanding of the virus develops. Intelligent monitoring systems also have a great role to play in predictive maintenance of railway assets of all types, reducing the likelihood of disruptive failure events. AI systems also hold great potential to predict demand and enhance the management of trains and scheduling, combating delays, enhancing efficient and therefore more sustainable use of fuels, and giving passengers a more effective, efficient service to rely upon, as well as giving them that accurate real-time train information. This potential, of course, extends beyond rail, connecting mobility systems to give users more accurate information and quality services across different forms of interconnected transport. Now, travel data is a key challenge. In the UK, this is held by many different stakeholders and is organised and presented in a very wide range of ways. Sharing and standardising this information is key to progress within transport and is an ongoing agenda. The UK Joint Rail Data Action Plan promotes more intelligent and collaborative use of data. This openness and sharing must continue to develop for maximum impact. Alongside all this potential, we look at the wider economic context, particularly in light of the pandemic. We need an economic boost now more than ever, and the potential of digital technology and AI development in the rail context, as well as beyond, offers this boost to innovation, business, SMEs and startups, as well as national skills enhancement, opportunities for young people and the wider economy. We must focus on the need for AI to improve the quality and safety of transport alongside staff members, not to replace them, for this to be the most effective with high quality ethical innovations. In the context of the climate emergency, it's vital that we encourage rail journeys and other forms of sustainable transport. It is only by offering an efficient, safe and affordable system that we'll be able to make public transport the travel method of choice. In the context of COVID-19, this is even more apparent. Innovations in AI are part of this crucial wider agenda, building a better and more agile rail offer for all our passengers. KTN can help by looking to make the crucial connections between innovators and the rail industry, as well as the wider transport industry and beyond into other sectors, identifying available funding and facilitating nationally and internationally significant, inspiring opportunities. Thank you so much. Please do get in touch to discuss, and I very much hope to hear from you soon.